Hey guys, this video is going to show you how to use our daily agenda in modules in order to create a task list to help you kind of chunk out your assignment so that you don't feel overwhelmed. So whenever you go to the agenda, it's going to say the day of the week and the date. You have to click that agenda anyway in order to see any of the day's assignments. So when you click on that agenda, it's actually going to tell you the 3 things that you have to do, or the 4 things you have to do, or however many steps or assignments you have. So for instance, this agenda says complete the daily attendance question, reply to the 2 truths and a lie discussion board, and then step 3, reply to 3 other students in the discussion board. Everything you're going to do for the day is in this agenda, so it's basically like a task list for the day. Once you've checked off all 3 things, then you're good. Now, a bunch of the time also when you go into the assignments, maybe this feels like a lot of work, or maybe you're worried that an assignment will be difficult to finish. When you go into a particular assignment that's not a quiz, a lot of the times the steps will actually be broken down for you. And it'll tell you this is part 1 of the task, and then this is part 2 of the task. If you can't do both of those chunks at the same time, that's okay. That's why it's broken up into parts. So you can do part 1, go away, maybe work on math for a bit, or get up, stretch, take a walk, just depending. And then you can come back and do part 2. So for this particular activity, part 1 says to write 4 complete sentences with proper capitalization and punctuation. It tells you exactly what those sentences need to be about and how to do it. I would do that chunk first. And then part 2 says to do this. It says choose 3 other classmates and click reply. And that would be the second chunk of the assignment so that I can help pace myself and not feel overwhelmed.